This, I think, my goal is to make my people stronger, build wealth, generational wealth specifically, a way they can transfer from one generation to the next. Create it, hold it, expand it, build on it, give it to your children. Your children build on that. Your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren will be working your corporation, will be working your business, will be living off your assets and making it bigger and grow bigger. That is my goal. That is my vision. That is what I want to do. The election is over now in Canada, and now it's time to go back to business. Canada won the election. It's a minority government, but it's a strong minority. That means he can work with NDP, he can work with other smaller parties too. It doesn't have to be a bigger, smaller parties, other opposition parties, right? So, which is good. It's very interesting. It's going to be good for Canada. He intends to invest in real estate. He wants Canada to be building more housing. He also wants private sectors, not only Canada as a public company or corporation building, he also wants individuals, private sectors, to also come into the space and build. So they are willing to give us a very favorable low interest rate, a higher amortization, up to 50 years amortization, to build apartments. We got to take advantage of that. Now, when I say build an apartment, you might think that is too much for you. Oh, how can I build an apartment? How can I be able to do that? I only have this so much resources. Now, that is where I comes in. I have other investors who want to come together. We want to collaborate. The key word for 2025 is the collaboration. It's the year of collaboration. We need to collaborate. One person can only do this much. 5 people can do this much. And 10 people can do even greater. Do not limit yourself. Think about this. Every year, you want to do better. You want to create wealth. But you're trying to put your resources together to do it. You have a limited resources. Year after year, you do nothing. So you are still in the same position, the same place. By the time you put resources together, the cost of the project now goes up. So you're always doing a catch-up, inflation and everything. That means you are getting zero, nothing, done, zero. What about if I tell you, instead of getting zero done, you collaborate with other people, you share the profit together. So you make, instead of getting zero, now you are making 10%, you are making 20%, you are making something. And if you do it long enough, guess what? You can branch out and become and have 100% of your apartment complex. So that's what I want to do. That is my goal. That is my vision. That everybody at some point is going to have their own. Okay? But right now, for you to start, you need to collaborate with other people, create something that is going to bring cash flow. We can use those cash flow to set up the next person, the next person, the next person. Do you understand that? We can pull money out of the property and choose to build the next one, the next one. So that is the way I look at it. That is the way I see it. All my career is about collaborating. I've been collaborating. I work with other agents in mortgage, in real estate, and I'm very fair in that regard. So you can ask every agent I've worked with me. You know, we have collaborated together from GTA to Ottawa here. That is my motto. I collaborate because I believe when you come together, you will create better environment, more wealth for your clients and your investors. So it's always good to collaborate. Let's do it. Reach out to me in all social media, Etinimaswan Real Estate Group. If you want to collaborate, we have a lot of stuff mined right now. We have apartments, we have nursing home we want to get into. So any one of them you want to get into, you're interested, let me know, reach out to me. We have staffs, we have registered nurses that is willing to work with us in that area. They are also going to be an investors in that nursing home and that aspect. Then when it comes to the apartment, we have property management in place already. Follow me.